Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. Guys, what's good, guys? I hope you guys are having a good time trading. I hope you guys are having a good week trading. So now I'm welcoming you all to my screen once again, guys. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a good time, guys, because when it comes to the Good Life channel, you know how we do it. We are always trading. Every week we're always trading, looking for what daily bread. So now, guys, I am back again with an analysis for you guys. I'm back again with the update on GER30, and I'm also back again with gold for you guys. So we're going to be doing two big analysis today. We're going to be doing GER30. We're going to be doing an analysis on gold, guys. So now the only thing I want you to do is just take your time and watch this video. And guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, guys, I'm giving you guys 5 seconds. It's for free, guys. 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now let's dive back to my screen, and guys, let's focus on the deed for today. You can see that today is Thursday, 5th of February, and let's see what Thursday has for us. So now here in front of my screen is GER30, and guys, you know it for the longest, guys. You have been looking at GER30. Why? Because you have seen it clearly that GER30 was in a bit of a nasty range around here. GER30 has been in a range for a long period of time and then broke out. So now we are currently looking at the retest of GER30, which is this area. And guys, if you can remember, if you have been watching my trades and you remember what I said, guys, you can remember and recall that yes, that I sent out a trade signal on GER30, which I told you guys to. I sent out the trade signal. If you watch my last videos, I sent out the trade signal around this level. Let me zoom in clearly. I sent out a trade signal around this level when price created a double bottom around there. Then we had a break of, I took a 1 hour entry, so we had a break around there. So now this was exactly where I entered this trade, and I posted this trade and asked you guys to join me. And guys, price already moved more than 1:1 RR. You can clearly see to this level. Price already moved more than 1:1 RR, and already let's see. Price already moved more than 1:1 RR. If you move from here, you can see it clearly. Let me zoom in so I can see it clearly. You can clearly see price moved 528 pips already. 528 pips was bagged already. And now you can see that price right now has moved back to our entry. So I want to give you guys the updates on this trade, guys. I am still very much still on a buy on this trade. Because why? I feel that price is just doing a break and a retest. Like, price broke our counter trend line. Yeah, if you have your trend line drawn, from this level, down, you can see that price broke our counter trend line. Price broke the trend line and also broke structure, broke above trend line and also broke above structure, creating new highs. Price has just created a new high around there. So now this is like a higher high, higher low, and push for a higher high. So guys, do not sell GER30. I repeat, do not sell. Still hold your buys. Right now, price has moved back to our entry. We are still holding buys. Let me clearly remove this because I'm trying to look for more entries. I'm looking for new entries around there. Price has moved back to our entry, but first of all, we have seen price break above our counter trend and also broken above structure. Price closed above structure, creating higher high, and now price is coming back for a higher low to push back in the higher high. So guys, still hold GER30 buys, guys. Still hold your buys. Rather, we'll be looking to add more positions around there. We'll be looking to add more positions once we see price starts to reject this level area. We'll be looking to add more positions. And what other confluence do I have to see that price is ready is going to push back to the upside? Number one, we have come to the 4 hours time frame and we have seen that yes, price has created a higher high and a higher low. After price came here, you know I love doing full analysis. After price came and created a double bottom around here, price broke above, creating what they call higher high, and now price is creating a higher low to push back in a higher high. So now guys, you guys should watch out for this. So now I don't want you to be skeptical about GER30. Still be on the buy side on GER30 because we are going to be catching out big, guys. We are going to be catching out big, and also we are going to be adding more positions Yeah, we'll be adding more positions once we see a rejection coming in price on German 30. And what other confluence do I use? Remember, we have seen that price has broken our counter trend line and also price has broken structure. What other confluences do I see? Now, if you go to the daily time frame on still German 30, go to the daily time frame at this area, that price at this support level. At this support level, you can clearly see that at this support level, price created what they call a morning star at this support level, and this morning star is not yet formed. Yeah, you can hear me clearly that this morning star is not yet formed. Price created a morning star around here, and yeah, this is the morning star. Yeah, you can see it. Let me clearly highlight it for you guys. You can clearly see that yes, price has created a morning star around here. We have this red candle, doji, and a bullish green candle. And guys, price has not yet activated that morning star. This morning star must be fulfilled. Yeah, you heard it here first. This morning star must be fulfilled. So yes, that is the structure, and that is why I'm saying that I'm still very much looking for buy opportunities on German 30, and I'll still be buying on German 30. So now let's go straight to let's look at the 4 hours again. Let's look at this current retracement that's going on, guys. As at this level, I'll be adding more entries. So now I'll take away this trend line and add a new trend line to this higher low that is forming. Guys, I'll be looking for entries around here. So once I get a break of the counter trend line and also a break of structure, I would like price for more confirmations to come and break above the structure. Once I see price push to the upside and break above this structure, a break above this level, I'll be adding one more position to price. Yeah, you heard it here first. So now that is it for German 30. Yeah, we're still basically on a buy. Forget what is happening, we're still basically on a buy on price. So now let's dive into gold, guys. Let's go to gold, guys. I have something juicy loading on gold, guys. So now we can clearly see that something happened very massively. Something took place very strong and massively on gold. That was last week. Something happened. This crash happened. So now if you were on the wrong side of this crash, I'm sorry that you have either lost money or you have lost your account. Please pardon us. We are sorry for your loss. I've said that. Yeah, we are sorry for your loss. We are very sorry for your loss. Now I have noticed something, that guys, that gold has come back to retest this level. If you use a zone around here, you can clearly see that gold has tapped into this zone. Yes, you heard it here first. Gold has tapped into this zone. Yeah, you have seen that. Yes, gold has tapped into the zone. So now, as we have seen that gold has tapped into the zone, what gold is doing, gold has not reversed. Gold is still in a buy. As a swing trader, the only thing you should be looking at is buying gold. Never you be on the sell side of gold. If you want to be on the sell side, be temporarily selling. But if you want to be on the buy side, be buying always. Because why? Gold is always on the buy side. They call gold the safe haven. That's if there is a war in a country, everybody tends to remove their money from currencies and invest it in gold, because gold is for life. So now we are looking at gold. We have seen that gold just created what they call a dip, and this is looking just like a normal structure. We have the higher highs, higher low, pure highs, new highs around here, then higher low to push back to the upside. It's as very simple as that. No need to complicate things. Now, since we have gotten this, this is the daily time frame. Since we have seen this, now we are going to now scale down to the 4 hours time frame. To know what is happening on the 4 hours time frame, you know we love the 4 hours time frame for entry. So now I can clearly see that in the 4 hours time frame, we can see this temporary downtrend happening. Yes, so we apply our counter trend line. Yep, we apply our counter trend line to the trend that's forming. We apply our counter trend line to the trend that's forming, and we currently adjust. Okay, we adjust. Gold is going to be one of my major trades this year. Yeah, so now we currently adjust, and then we see that yes, price is still in a downtrend on gold. So now what is going to happen to gold if I want to buy gold? Now, if I want to be on the buy side of gold, I need to look for these two things to happen. Number one, break of this counter trend line and break of structure. So now this is where my structure will be. This is where my structure will be. Price will have to come and break above this structure. Price will have to come and break above this structure, and then price will have to give me a candle close. Yep, you heard it here first on Good Life TV. Price will have to give me a candle close above that structure. But in the other sense, what if price does not buy? What if it sells? Now, if price wants to sell, we are going to see price continue downwards from here. We're going to see price continue downwards from here. And if price decides to sell, we'll still be calm and be looking at price. We won't do anything, we'll be looking at price. But there's what I call liquidity grab, liquidity sweep. What if price wants to go for a liquidity sweep? How do I mean by liquidity sweep? Now look at this current structure of price. I talked about liquidity sweep in some of my videos, so you can go and watch my previous videos and understand what's the meaning of liquidity sweep, where price will just come, where price will try to attack this level. Yes, you heard it here first on Good Life TV. So price will automatically want to buy, but it will not buy until it comes down and attacks this level, clear this level, where all these stop losses are located. Now, where are all the stop losses located? Around this area. There are stop losses there, there are stop losses here, and there are stop losses here. So now you see price come and attack all these areas, then clear off the liquidity in this trend now to push to the upside. You heard it here first on Good Life TV. Price will come to attack all these levels. Then once price is done with attacking those levels, then you now see price push to the upside and then start buying. But two things can happen here. Either price is going to push above from here, push to the upside, break above, and give us a candle close above this level and we buy. Or price will either come down and do a liquidity sweep before pushing to the upside. So any which way, we are waiting, because right now the buy on gold is not yet activated. So we are just waiting for price to meet our confluences. You can see my is as clean as possible and as straightforward as possible. My chart is always straightforward, no mixing around, no loitering around. We just give you straight to the point, hit the nail on the head. That's what we do. We hit the nail on the head. We go straight to the point. Yeah. So now that is it. I'm still looking for a buy on gold, because the buys on gold right now is going to be very, very juicy. And also looking at buying GER30. I'm still buying GER30, but I'm looking to add more positions to GER30. So now you heard it here first on Good Life TV. Yeah, you heard it here first on Good Life TV. Remember guys, on GER30 we are still very, very much bullish. I'm very, very much bullish on GER30. Why? Because this morning star candle has not yet been activated, and once it's activated, price is still going to buy massively. So now you heard it here first on Good Life TV. So now the only thing I want you to do for me guys is to have a great time trading and watch my videos, try to understand my analysis. But this GER30 trade sharpened me, because it pushed like it went more than half. It went more than half, but all of a sudden started pushing down. It went more than half, created new highs. But you see, I still have to be patient if I really want to enjoy this trade. I still have to be patient, because I know that price is still going to push to the upside, because new structure has been formed, old structure has been broken, new structure has been formed. So now it's your boy Good Life. You heard it here first on Good Life TV, guys, that we are looking for buys on gold. Yep, we are looking for buys on gold. We are still looking for a strong buy on gold. I'm looking to buy gold, because gold has not yet met our criteria, and given us the advantage to be involved in a buy. So I am still buying GER30. Yes, you heard it here first. I'm a swing trader, so I'm still holding GER30 buys. I'm holding it like for a long time, like I'm holding it. Although right now it pushed into I made like more than $100 moving up, but right now price has pushed back to my entry. I'm still holding, because I believe that yes, price is still going to buy. So now you heard it here first on Good Life TV. So the only thing I want you guys to do for me is subscribe to my channel, because it encourages me a lot. It encourages me a lot. It gives me the drives to keep pushing, guys. Give me the drive to keep pushing and making more videos like this for you guys. So now it's your boy Good Life. Peace out, guys. Have a good time trading. Have a good week. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. and the weekend is going to start full. And guys, I'll try my best to be bringing in content every time, like every single day. But if I cannot bring it every single day, know that that day I am busy. So now I'm trying my best to be giving you guys updates and analysis every single day. So like this, I want you guys to take your time. I always tell you, if you're a pro trader, a swing trader, or whatsoever trader you are, there's always something